Warm greetings. Myself Sambhav Rani from class 9th Birla Public School Pilani, and I am going to present the autobiography of Ruskin Bond through my channel Sambhav Talks. So let's get started. Ruskin Bond, born in 19 May 1934, is an Algo-Indian author. His first novel, That Room on the Roof, was published in 1956 and it received the John Leone Rice Prize in 1957. Bond has authored more than 500 short story essays and novel include 50 books for children. First, he was awarded the Satya Award Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Going in Dhera. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. He lived with his adopted family in Landur. He did his schooling from Bishop Cotton School in Shimla, from where he graduated in 1950. He won several writing competitions in school, including the Irwin Dignity Prize and the Hallie Literature Prize. He wrote one for his first short story, Untouchable, at the age of 16 in 1951. 19 May 1934, age 88, Kasuli, Punjab State Agency, British India, present day Himachal Pradesh, India. Occupation author, poet, Almat, Bishop Cotton School, period 1951, present novel, write The Roof on the Roof, The Room on the Roof, Our Tree Still Growing in Dhera, A Flight of Pigeon, The Blue Umbrella. Most of his works are influenced by life in the hill station at the foothills of his Himalayas, where he spent his childhood. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, was written when he was 16 and published when he was 21. It was partly based on his experience at Dehradun in his small recent room on the roof and his friends. His early work were written without it being meant for any particular. His first child book, Angry River, published in the 1970s, had its written toned down on a published request for a children's story. The Rusty story has been adapted into a Doordarshan TV series, Ek Tha Rusty. Several stories has been incorporated into the school Crucial India, including The Night Train at Dillo, Time Stop at Shimla, and Our Tree Still Growing in Dhera. In 2005, the Bollywood director Vishal Bharadwaj novel for children, The Blue Umbrella, the first movie, won the National Film Award for Best Children's Film. Being a writer for over 50 years, Bond experimented with different generations. Earlier work include fictions, short stories, novel, with some being autobiography. Later, he tired not functions, romance, and book for children. He said his favorite genes and essays and stories. He considered himself a visual writer because short stories he first imagine it like a film and then note it down for an essay or travelage. Such plan in not needed for him. He feel the unexpected there make it more exciting. Thank you everyone.